Hey, it's Mosh Bari. I'm super excited to have you here. I'm going to share a free traffic source with you today that we use for ourselves, and we generate thousands of monthly visitors every single month, completely free. There are two options: paid traffic option, free traffic option, but you don't need paid traffic, you need free traffic, and you can get free traffic very, very easily. Back when we started, we used two expensive softwares. Number one, we used SEMrush, and I'm going to show you the plans. They have minimum $99 per month if you pay annually. That means you'll have to pay $1,100 plus one time annually just to use their first option. And if you pay monthly, that will be $119 per month. Now, you don't have to do it. This problem is completely solved. I'm going to solve this problem in this video right here, so stay tuned till the end of the video. Second one was the problem for us was content problem. Back when we started, we did not have easier, faster, and cheaper solution for high quality content, but this traffic source needs content. So we had to solve this problem for us, and once we solved it, it's coming to you as well. Link is in the description. By the way, I'll show you the detailed demo, so please stay tuned till the end of the video. Also, there will be two different ways to get traffic. Two different ways to get traffic from this source. So please stay tuned till the end of the video, because I have to describe the whole thing in the full length of the video. So let's go do it. Okay. By the way, if you like our videos, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and smash the notification bell button, as this way you'll be the first one to get notified when we upload the next video. All right, so let's go, and we are on similarweb.com to check the analytics of this platform. And yes, this is one and only Quora.com, and they have consistent over 540 million monthly free visitors in literally all different niches. Now, again, I told you, how can we get traffic? First, we need to find out which questions in Quora or which posts are getting traffic. Now, if you don't know about Quora, Quora is a website where people can ask questions, and there are people who come back and answer the questions. The way Quora works is when somebody answers a question, other readers will upvote depending on the quality of the answer, and higher the vote, higher the position of the answer will stack up. And the highest quality answer, highest vote, and highest quality answer will get the maximum traffic. Okay, and once you add your link or URL or website URL on that answer, it has to be relevant, of course, then you will get traffic very, very easily. And I'm going to show you the traffic. All right, so previously we used SEMrush.com, and you absolutely don't need to use it. Then we started using Ubersuggest. We love Ubersuggest. You just have to Google Ubersuggest, and you will find neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Here we are. Okay, and then there are two options. Either you go to the keyword section and go to keywords by traffic, or you go to the traffic section and select traffic overview, where you'll have chance to put the page URL. In this case, we'll use Quora.com. And yes, like magic, Ubersuggest will tell us all the keywords that Quora is ranking on Google for. So they will even show you the number of positions, if the position is number 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And estimated searches per month on Google, and estimated visitors that particular page is getting for this keyword. So super awesome, right? Now we will show you one example. This is our first way to get traffic. But by the way, you need content, and the content solution, we have already generated this content solution for us. That is our own software, Maven. The link is in the description. Very welcome to Maven app, and let's snatch some authority content and traffic. First, this is the login page, and use these boxes to log in. You are in. Super awesome. Now everybody is talking about iPhone 13, its battery, its cameras. We want to review it, but we don't have time for it. So we found some authority blog. We want to hijack it. All you have to do is to copy this URL, click this add blog button, and paste this URL and click create. Boom, your content is ready. The images are ready. You can change them from here, do some formatting in this text editor, and add your links using this box. Let's open in a new window and click save. Add another bold, italic, and link if you want, or as many as you want because you want more links. Maybe you want to make it bold and italic, and that's it. Click save. Oh yes, you have to add a blog title. Done. Click save. Yes. Now the magical part. The authority content is hijacked, but it's a hijacked content. You want to make it yours and you want to make it unique. That's where this spin block content button comes in. Just one click and the content is rewritten to the highest quality, just like a human written content. Go click save. Boom. Now you want to add some more images. Yeah, that makes sense. Click anywhere, click this image button, use any of these options. Let's say use Pixabay, use your search term, searched and found, and you want to choose this. Click, your image is added. Super cool, right? Now you want to add more. Just one click and add more. Now you may want to add a video. All you need is the embed code of a video. Click anywhere you want to add, click the video button and paste the video embed code. Click add, and your video is added. Wow, super cool, right? Click save. Fill all this information, add your name, add description, anchor tags, and category, and hit publish now. Boom, your blog post is ready. Your authority blog post is ready. Click view and it opens. Wow, that's so awesome. Ready to make money for you. Is this your link? Open link in new window. Yes. So what you waiting for? Go grab your Maven access right now and hijack traffic from authority sites. Go do it. I hope you loved this video. Please go ahead, hit the like button if you liked it, and smash the subscribe button to our channel. Hit the notification bell button so you get notified when we upload the new video. Let's go and have some keyword that is getting a lot of traffic, and an interesting keyword, I missed you. You see that? It has 74,000 monthly searches approximately, and from this keyword alone, Quora is getting 16,864 visitors per month. Now we are on this page. Somebody asked which sentence is correct, I miss you or I missed you. So many answers, and somebody replied just a few days ago, and within a few days this answer, one sentence answer, got one upvote, and due to that upvote there are 617 views. Now this is amazing. If you want 617 views or traffic from paid traffic, you'll have to pay minimum $600 to $1,200 depending on niche and a lot of other factors. But here it's completely free. Now let's look at other answers that got higher upvotes. One of the answers got so far 128,000 views. Another one 143,000 views. Now all these repliers had to do is simply answer the question. And because their answer was nice, people loved it, they upvoted it, and they generated so much traffic. Think about it. So much potential. Now you might be asking, how could you possibly make money from I miss you or I missed you type of question? The answer is you have to understand what kind of advice you are giving to this person who asked this question. This is a grammar related question. So if you want to make money, you can promote something as an affiliate that has to do with grammar correction or grammar aid. Well, one of the softwares I love and I personally use is Grammarly. Just go ahead, Google Grammarly affiliate, and you will be on this page and you'll see they have two different options of payment. If free account sign up, they pay out 20 cents. Not bad at all. 5 signups, free signups will give you $1. And premium plan purchase, $20 commission. Super awesome. With this amount of traffic, this could be amazing. Now you need content. You need to show your expertise or authority. So for that, you need a blog, but you don't have time. Don't worry about it. Maven will solve the problem. Let me show you how Maven works. Cool. Did you like Maven so far? Super awesome, right? Now you know that you can have your own website, and once you reply any question on any niche, you should create a content before replying, and you should refer your content in your reply so it looks natural and not spammy, and you will get traffic for free. Now let me show you another way to get traffic. When you sign up on Quora, depending on your choice of niche and questions, Quora will send you emails. They call it Quora Digest, and they will send you topics or questions that are getting massive attention right now. One of them is this one. I received one day ago. It says, as a doctor or nurse, what's the saddest scene you have ever witnessed? Another one, you see, I am 24 and I have wasted my life. Is it too late to still make something about it? Well, the first one could be for doctors and for nurse professionals. That's why just look at the upvotes and views these answers are getting. This answer was given just 5 days ago, and look at the number of views. 27,000 views in 5 days. Another answer got 826,000 views. Wow. Now look at this question. This was like life advice or something like that. This question has got 1.9 million views, 3,558 upvotes, 67 shares. So Quora's traffic not only come from ranking on Google, but also from their emails. And when they email, remember, a lot of people will open the email and they will go to that question. Some will read, some will answer. But if your answer is on top and the related URL of your blog post is there, you will get thousands of visitors overnight. That is all it takes. You just have to find out the related keywords that are getting a lot of traction, a lot of views, answers are getting a lot of views, or you use softwares, cheap or free softwares like Uber Suggest, and use Maven to create your blog post. Go ahead, answer those questions, put your blog post link and get lots of traffic. Use your opt-in forms in your blog post so people can sign up to your mailing list and you can promote them related offers. So did you like this video? Please hit the like button if you did, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell button so you are the first one to get notified when we upload the next video, and the next video is going to be awesome. All the links are in the description, go check them out, and we'll see you in the next video.